I've just spotted a beautiful, I would call it magenta pink rose on my Rosa rugosa. Absolutely beautiful, and there's another one down there, and even though the bush has been cut hard back, we've still got some rose hips. Now there's not going to be enough for a third lot of making rose hip syrup this year. I've done 2, but they're still producing rose hips, and I've cut it into a manageable size. I would imagine next year I'll get even more rose hips. They're hiding under there. Aren't they nice? Birds will love them when they're ripe.